Did you know you can run Linux on your iPhone? It's completely free, open source, and doesn't require jailbreaking. Plus, it's totally safe. You can run cool stuff like cmatrix or cmtrix, practice some Python, and the best part, you can run code on your iPhone from another PC. Let's get right into it. Alright, the app is called openssh Shell. Just search out for it on App Store, click on download. Once you got that downloaded, open it up. Now the app comes with a very old version of Alpine Linux, which dates back to 2021. So let's give it an update. We're going to use the official website of Alpine Linux to download up-to-date rootfs. Just head over to alpinelinux.org/downloads. Scroll all the way down and there's going to be a link for previous releases. And from there, let's go with 3.18. Releases x86. Just find the mini rootfs with this version. It's at the very end of mini rootfs releases. Click on that link and download the file. And once you got that downloaded, go back to openssh Shell. Click on the gear icon, File Systems, Import, and select the file it just downloaded. Now click on the imported file system and boot from this file system. The app is going to immediately exit. That's totally fine. Now reopen the app. Let's check the version number. If you're wondering why are we using this exact version, it's because out of all other versions, for some reason this works the best. Okay, now let's do apk add, openssh, Python 3, py3, pip, cmatrix, nodejs-current, and htop. These are my recommendations. If you have anything else that you want to install, you can do so. Now you'll get this pop-up, hit on OK. While that's installing, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and let's continue with the video. And okay, let's check Python. Yeah, it runs. Let's generate some random number, for example. I just do import random.random. In order to exit, you can type in exits with parentheses. Now let's try node. In node, you can do math.random to get a random number. For some reason, pip takes a lot of time to install something, so let's just do python-m pip. This is going to do the same thing, and it's much faster, at least on this app. Now let's do calse-t subscribe. And you're gonna see a call saying subscribe. How cool is that? But even a better one is cmatrix. You just think of running this on your iPhone. That's insane. I mean, I could watch this all day long. But to make it even better, just go to settings, appearance, and select color scheme as dark. Stick around for the best part where I will show you how to run code on your iPhone from another PC. To exit, you can do Ctrl-C. Okay, let's get SSH working now. Just type in ssh-keygen-a, and this is going to generate keys for you. We also need nano. Let's do apk add nano. Let's do nano/etc/ssh/sshd_config. Now using the arrow keys, find permit root login, uncomment that line, and make sure the value is set to yes. use the arrow keys again and go down. Uncomment password authentication. Now do Ctrl O, return, and Ctrl X. Okay, let's set a root password now. Type in passwd. By default, you don't have any password, just enter a new password. Now, without closing the app, just go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and click on the info button on Connected Network. Scroll all the way down, and you're gonna see your local IP address. Note this down. Now go back to the app and type in /user/admin/sshd and tap return. Now on your PC you can do SSH root and your local IP address of your iPhone. Just type in yes. And there you go, you are inside your iPhone. Whatever you going to run on your iPhone. For example, cmatrix, this is all running on your iPhone. Just to prove it too, let's do neofetch. There you go, it says Alpine Linux. Well, there are things that do not work properly because it's an emulated environment, but most of the things here work fine. That was it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.